Hey everyone, let's dive into our aftermarket review, see how the stock market played out, see how our plays panned out for the day, and just see where we ended up. Let's dive right into it. So, I said that I thought the market would end up having a good bullish day, and started off, the market started coming up, was doing really good, and then turned around on us, and we ended up closing pretty well flat on the day. The S&P slightly down at 0.10, the NASDAQ slightly up at 0.09, and the NASDAQ slightly down at 0.10. So, pretty well flat for the day. The VIX didn't move much either. It was up just a little over 0.5%, but not the day that I was expecting. So how did our plays work out? Now, we was holding some plays over from last week. Couple of those was Lucid and Walmart. Got out of both of those positions today very well. Ended up getting out of Walmart. We had bought in at $25.25. Got out at $28. Made 2.2% on that trade. And then we was holding Lucid over. We bought into Lucid at $17.70. Got out of that at $19.20 for a solid 8.5% ROI on that trade. Now, really happy with that one. Now, I recommended NEO this morning. I said I was looking at it as a quick little swing trade for the morning. Picked it up at $20.14. Sold it at $20.64 for a nice solid 50 cents on the share. Represented 2.5% on that trade. So overall did very well. Now, we was holding a short position of FUBO, and I actually ended up averaging down on that position. They went up higher. They got all the way up to about 401 today. I ended up averaging into them and took another position at 392, bringing my average up to 371 on that position, and I'm still holding that. We've gotten back down to almost that level, but not quite there yet. We'll see what tomorrow brings for us. And, of course, still holding our impp shares. Now, impp actually showed strength today. We actually run up and hit 40 cents, which I was real happy to see. So, holding that position strong. We ended up closing the day up over that 38-cent mark. We're sitting at about 38.5 cents. So overall, I'm feeling good about that position still, but I am still holding on to that position, and we'll see how tomorrow brings on that. Keep watching the oil industry, see where things are going, and see if we're going to get a bounce out of that position. So that's kind of what I got for you today. Crypto's continuing to hold up. In fact, Bitcoin is retesting those highs that we've had in recent times of 24,000. We hit a high today of 24,250, which was just really pushing on breaking. If we can break over that $25,000 mark, then I absolutely think Bitcoin's got a chance to run up toward that $28,000 mark. So we're watching that level very closely, seeing how that plays out for our crypto portfolio. I hope you liked the video. If it brings you any value, be sure you like it, subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my upcoming videos. Let me know down in the comments what you made money with. If you traded along with me today, let me know what you made money on. And if you're just doing your own thing, let me know what your best stock of the day was. I would love to hear about it. And until next time, be blessed, and remember, never trade with your emotions. Always trade by the numbers.